Teacher, come lah, gather all the kids around. Alright, everyone. Oh, teacher punya suara baru. Everyone, come over here.
Which one you think is harder?
Morning, come closer, At the back. Hi, everyone. He's 11, he's turning 12, right?
Let me ask you all one question. How old did you think Tyler?
Orang tentila. Nomor tentila.
AS, right? Attention seeker. Yeah, but then again, complications because we have people who have very, very low awareness level when it comes to it. Just see around now. Look at that. How irresponsible people are. You have your drinks there, your single-use plastic cups there.
Who drank July?
And then they have the rubbish bin over that side. Look how irresponsible our people are. So, and then there are the finger pointings as well. All of these are coming from the illegal immigrants. You know who the illegal immigrants, right? The illegal immigrants, you know, right? Yes. Yeah. But sad to say, it's not just coming from them. It's also coming from us, the locals. We don't come here. The illegal immigrants don't come here and hang out here. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. We're very lucky to have Mary on board because her kids, her students, they're practicing sustainability. Like how you guys are doing. But in their school, they are practicing sustainability. So sustainability means to say that they're saving electricity, saving water, trying to reduce as well. Yeah. Moin. Hi. Hi. Eldona. So in whatever natural waste, do not collect.
Why are you covering your face?
Okay, the most important thing is
I was just looking at the chat. What? You want to see my photo gallery?
no thanks.
Ew.
The small ones.
I got the best photo gallery.
It's a privacy.
Oh my god.
After you have so after you have collected your rubbish, you know inside and you have to put it back here. I will put it here, yeah. Bring it back. Back there, and then.
Oh, kena sponsor. Kasih raw punya juga. Boleh pakai kalada.
So you could bend down? Wow.
May tarong lah tu. You wear lah. I don't want. You want glove? Sir, glove. Pakai glove lah.
Nessa, you help Mary, Nessa.
Okay. What am I doing?
No, you just assist her.
Where's Mary?
Anak saya anu.
Masih hidup kan? Astaga. Masih hidup. Tinggal.
Kami satu tangga satu orang, lepas tu kami ada 2 orang je. Jadi bahagi ada 10 tangga, 5 tangga lah. 5 tangga tu maksudnya dari tingkat 1 pergi tingkat 7. Satu tangga.
Ayalah tu.
Lima kali kalau kayu kan?
Selalu masuk air. Kau tengok tu ada tu. Yay, banyak. Ini tempesnya. Tempes. Terus kau gulung ni kau ampai je sini. Ampai kau bawa.
Lepas main, jangan buang dalam laut. Yan, kayang laut. Terbang, ya, nak boleh ambil di laut kan. Jatuh sana. Oh.
Okay, there's a cigarette butt. Come here. There's a cigarette butt here.
Take it.
Here. Oh, up here. No, not there. No. Here's another one. Here's another one.
Oh my god.
Yeah, the view. Yeah.
Yes, you go back.
Maybe borrow one of those. Where's the bottles?
Why are you picking up the sand?
Same one. Oh, there's one here. Oh yeah, it's go.
Well, I've never had this in a beach cleaner. I've seen just a whole meal
Yeah.
in a box.
Oh my god.
I'm trying to cook the bubble wrap, but it's stuck in the sand.
Oh, good job. Then you need to call Ethan with the rest of it. Just like a puzzle, kan?
I already unwrapped the whole thing.
Good job.
Yo.
Throw it to the ocean.
Wait, no. Put it.
Give me that thing back. Natural. Do you see this?
Oh, you've been on the tree.
Yeah, but with your hand, I can.
Yeah.
But you have to go this side of it so you can take a
Okay. Ready. Ah.
Just put your budget a little bit, then it'll become solid.
Uncle Frank,
Yes.
come on.
What?
I have broken yet. You want to wear it? No. Okay, not my house.
Good.
gets found? Raise your hand. What? Yes? Helmet. Okay. Come on.
The weirdest thing. The weirdest.
I found bra.
Bra. Yeah, I overheard. She said someone said like what one book bra.
Yes.
So there's only one cup. A product whereby it's one-time use, and after that, after you use, what's gonna happen? You say throw away. Where does it go? Where is away? Ocean, yes. Where else? Sea, okay.
Hey, this cream. Apa niya?
Sand, yes. Where else? Where does it go?
Come on.
Away. Okay. Today we're learning what on the ground. The fish, yes. So whatever rubbish that you have found today, okay, that has got to do a lot about our lifestyle. So number one, what's the big deal about plastic? Okay, I was so surprised that no one mentioned about plastic bottles just now. Did you guys not find any plastic bottles? Today?
There's a lot of cigarette butts lah.
Okay, good. Never mind. It's all here. You guys will come here. Okay. We're gonna. Hey, Cecil, can you start weighing, please? Okay. What's the big deal about plastic? Like today, we've already used reusable plastic cups. What does that tell you? We've already used. You guys have already brought along your reusable water bottle. So what does that tell you? 1%. What does that tell you? What have you saved? What have you avoided by having climate change? Yes, true. Climate change is like very indirect, but that's part of the answer. Tell me, what does that tell you? We've used water dispenser. We've used reusable plastic cup. You brought your own water bottle. You brought your own container food. What does that tell you? What did you save? Money, yes. What else? Pollution, yes. Okay. Actually, what you have saved is not purchasing or not using any single-use plastic bottles, and you have already stopped from any of the single-use plastic bottles from any cigarette butts. Okay, you give them the answer.
You're not a scary.
Give them the answer. Look at it.
You're not a scary.
Cigarette butt. I'm not. Okay, listen up. Settle down. Cigarette butt. It has a layer of plastic in it. Okay, outside is paper, inside got layer of plastic. Otherwise, how can it hold that one? Okay, the filter. Okay, number 2. Can you see this? A cow? Yeah. So right now, normally what we hear and listen are normally whatever rubbish which ends up in the sea, fishes will eat it because they mistaken it for jellyfish. That's their food. Did you guys know that? Our plastic, the plastic bag, that's why they ban it. Did you guys know that they ban it in supermarkets? That's why you're supposed to bring your own bag, paper bag, or your own bag to the supermarket.
I do it.
Yes. Okay, great. Okay, who does that? Who brings their own bag to supermarket, hypermarket, Bataras, Tonghing, whatever? Sometimes you have to start doing it now.
It's like those. This is what we call, right?
Okay, starting from today, you have to start changing your lifestyle. Bring your own bag if you forget, because this is not something that we used to do. Whoever forgets, just chuck it inside your car, okay, or your parents' car. Make sure you do it for your parents, because your parents might not remember this. Okay, sit down. Meat how? Fish. Yes. Okay, good. You guys have listened. Okay? Good job. Okay. Don't mention climate change just now. How plastic causes climate change? This is a long story. Yeah? Tell me. Your plastic bottle, this one. Where is it made from? What is it made from? Yeah, I know. Yeah. It's made from plastic, but what is it made from? How do you make it? From? Some chemicals. But actually, the correct word is from fossil. Did you notice that we were experiencing very hot weather, hot spells? Okay, did you guys notice that we were experiencing hot spells, crazy weather, rainfall, flooding, things that we never experienced before. Right? Places like Putatan, my area, you will never get flooding. But nowadays, we do get flooding. It's insane. And the crops, listen up. Listen up. And the crops, okay? Our crops is suffering because there's not enough rainfall. It's either we don't have enough rainfall or we have too much of rainfall, so it's destroying our crops. Yeah? So this is a bit deep. Broken. Nowadays, yeah, we don't believe in recycling anymore. The recycling hierarchy is already down there, unlike before. Okay? The best is always to stop or reduce. So that is why when you start feeling thirsty, think about what you have collected here today. Think about those rubbish that you have collected, especially, mainly, plastic bottles, single-use plastic bottles. You want to quench your thirst, 2 minutes of drinking water, and then you discard your bottle forever. Yeah? Again.